What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing? Listen, check this out. So switching gears right now. We about to switch it up. You know what I'm saying? I want to switch gears and let's get to the bag. Let's talk about the money. Yo, stop sleeping on this bag. You're watching this for a reason because you're tired of missing out while everybody else is getting paid. My company just dropped major upgrades. I'm talking, they doing the darn thing. AI powered automation, new commission levels, and even more exclusive products. This ain't the same old affiliate marketing you've seen before. I'm really excited. This is the future, and I'm about to break it down. But listen, by the time this video is over, you're gonna want in. So pay attention. Listen, yo, the game is changed. My business is not playing in 2025. AI technology, we got it. More ways to earn, already locked in. More value, it's next level. The industry is shifting, and if you ain't moving with it, you're getting left behind. The days of struggling to make sales are over. My system is designed to work with you, not against you. We don't sell, we actually share. We build real relationships, we create curiosity, and we get paid. You could get paid daily. You heard? So here's the inside scoop. So now I can't spell all the tea right here, but let me just say this. Our exclusive products are unmatched. Think automation, social media strategies that actually work, and training from six-figure earners who are already winning. And the best part, you don't need a degree, you don't need no special skills or a huge following to get started. And that's what I really like about this company. It's about leverage. And guess what? I've got the blueprint, the system, and the support for you. You just have to follow. You hear me? I hope you hear me loud and clear. If you're feeling that itch right now, that I need to know more type of itch or energy, good. That means you're ready to level up. Don't just sit there thinking about it. Reach out. Hit me up in my DMs. Text me. I'm going to leave my number at the screen or whatever. So that's again 720-336-8622. Listen, I'm not here to convince you. I'm here to put you on. But this train is moving, and it's going to move with or without you. The people who tap in now will be the ones catching the wave early, okay? The ones who wait, they'll be watching us from the sidelines. They'll be watching everybody win from the sidelines. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it. Don't sleep. Let's run it up, okay? Contact me right now, and let's get started. Let's get you started. Stop procrastinating. Stop sitting on the fence. And let's get this money, okay? We support you every step of the way. You know what I'm saying? You will learn as you grow and earn as well. The sky is not the limit in this company. You earn the work that you put in. So contact me now, and let's get to work. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we dive more deeper into ways you can make money legitimately in 2025. Till next time, this is Kendra and Fionn signing off.